Hey guys, we're going to be working on assignment number 4 on the business plan proposal packet. We have kind of, with all the stuff been going on, we're kind of spaced out in terms of the timing on this, but we're okay. What we've done last is we've created logos. That's what you're going to probably finish up on. Once you're done, there'll be a slogan project or assignment that I want you to do, but then the next thing will be the next part. We're creating a resume for people that we want to run our company. So what we're going to do, we're going to be using the template on Word. And in the book, this is actually 5, but we're not going to do this right now. I'm going to kind of walk through the steps I want you guys to do, really shorten it up. Okay, it's pretty simple. All right, so the first thing we do is we open up Word. I'm going to zoom out so you can see everything we got going on here. We got my Word document. All right, this is the standard document like we've been using. We dictate how we want to look. Well, what's great about Word and Office, the Office suite particularly, is that you can open up and use already created templates. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, they have all this crap right here. You have custom ones. You have all this. Like for Foreign Community Schools, we have a custom template. You guys can't see them, but I can. If I open those up, I got all these different things. Okay, newsletters. If I open up some of them, all these different things are created templates that Foreign Community Schools made. Okay, you guys obviously don't have access to that. But what we're going to do, we're going to type in resume. It's a funky word, I know. Now, there's all these different types of resumes. Resumes are, if you don't know what they are a kind of a checklist, a highlight of you, your life, your accomplishments, your skills, your education, your past, what you want to do. Everything about you is kind of wrapped up into a page, which is called a resume. All right. The one I want you guys to pick is we're going to go down, we're going to scroll down, we're going to look for the one that says Basic Resume Timeless. Okay, and that's what we're doing. And we click Create, and now we got the resume. Okay, and then from here you can see it kind of has stuff already in here, kind of hints to help you out. Okay, the next step we're going to do is we're going to go up here to Page Layout, Margins, go down to Custom Margins, and we need to make this 0.5, or no, we're gonna make it 1, 0.5, 1, and 1, and hit OK. Kind of cleans it up for us. Okay, what I want you guys to do from here is I want you to go ahead and you're gonna fill one out for yourself. Okay, and what you notice right now is I have a blue theme going on. What's cool is that you guys can pick your own colors, your own themes, your own font styles. Now, keep in mind, you want to keep these professional. So I usually don't change the font around too much. I may make things bold. I may do something like that just so you can see them. I may increase the font size. I may try a different font. But usually you want to keep it standard when it comes to this. Okay. Over here, this will be your information. For email, I'm going to challenge you guys. I want you to figure out or see if you can remember your school email that I've given you, your Office 365 email. We're going to be using that a lot now, so make sure you have it. Now, as far as the color is concerned, we can go up here to Design, Colors, and these are all your different choices. Okay, so you can go ahead and pick whatever you want. The fonts, you can mess around with those. These are considered standard fonts, so you can't go wrong with any of these. So you can pick one of those if you like it. Everything else, I want you to keep the same. If you want to throw a border on there, I don't have a problem with that. Remember, that's under Design, Page Borders, and let's see what we got. So if you want to do something like that, and when you do it, if you're going to do it, you got to match the color. And that's going to be the issue, is how do you match that color to that theme? Well, just do your best, okay? So what I want you to work on right now is first, you're going to do one for yourself. And for some of the stuff, I want you to make it up. I want you to look it up, make it up. Just get used to putting stuff in. Getting used to ad-libbing, to put things in without me telling you exactly what to put in. For objective, you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in objective for resume for whatever type of job you want. Okay? And really what I want you to do is whatever industry that your business is in, so if you're making technology, or if you're making shoes, or you're making you're a house improvement store, you're a game manufacturer, I don't care what it is. I want you to find an objective of an example resume for that particular industry. Skills that you think are going to be important for your job or your industry. Experience, make up past experience for somebody that would need to get into your place of employment. And now how I want you to look at this is that you are the owner, you're the founder, you're the president of your company. So your experience, technically, it should be a lot. It should be well-known things. So right now I only have 2 on here, but if I wanted to add another job, I highlight one of the past ones, I hit Control C, and then down here after the word accomplishments, I'm gonna hit the arrow key over. So I'm just gonna hit the right arrow key, hit enter, and I'm gonna paste Control V. And now it allows me to put a new one. Maybe got 4 jobs. Whoa. Hit enter. 4. Okay. Education. You just got to pick one place unless you want to do a master's. And these things right here, again, the references, don't worry about that for now. If you want to figure it out, you can. Those are just people that you would want to call on. I'm going to require that out of you on our project, but for this one, I want you to just get comfortable with it. Okay. So you're filling this out for yourself. Okay. You're going to use the school address, school telephone, school website, your school email. I'm not helping you with any of that. You can figure it out. Okay. Objective, you will need to look up an objective for your particular business industry, meaning whatever industry your business is in. I want you to find a resume, an example of somebody that wants to be a CEO, just find an example of one. Skills and ability, you're going to come up with that stuff. Job experience, make up things. Education, make up what you think degree you would need for your industry. You need to put it in there. So if you're developing shoes, you may want to have a fashion, you may want to make a business management degree with a minor in fashion design, or you're going to do a management degree with your minor in marketing. You may do a marketing bachelor's degree, whatever you think. This shouldn't be done in 5 minutes is what I'm trying to say, or 10, or even a period. The creation part maybe, but if you're looking up stuff and doing what you're supposed to do, it should take a little bit of time. Okay, so again, this is for assignment number 4. I'm gonna bring that over. Job description for what we're doing. We're gonna fill out one for yourself. Okay, we're gonna do one for yourself. Then what you're gonna do after this, you're gonna be creating two people who you think they're famous. So if I was gonna do a shoe company or a sport athletic company, I would want Phil Knight, the founder of Nike, and I would do like Jay-Z. Jay-Z now his fingers on everything: entertainment, sports marketing, sports agent. He owns a sports team, so he'd be another person I would want. I don't really care who you pick, but you're gonna have to look up some info about 2. When I say famous, they don't have to be like Beyonce. They need to be people that make sense for your industry. Okay, you'll be creating 2, one for yourself, 2 for 2 different people who you want to help run the company with you. One will be called a CFO, one will be called a CEO, and you are the founder or president or owner of the company. Okay? All right, so let me know if you need any help. You guys should be good. This again is assignment 4 in the business plan proposal.